Okay, today's video. How-to video. How to juice parsley. Very easy. Parsley, wow, diuretic. Heavy kidney cleanser. And the kidneys are one of the most important organs of the body because it's a detox organ. It's a filter. So you want your kidneys up and running good. And parsley is one great way of contributing to the health of your kidneys. It's a kidneys, which will filter and get your lymph moving. You got to get that lymph moving because your body is not a cesspool. So anything also that helps the kidneys also helps your blood pressure. Did you know that? So parsley is an awesome herb. It has the minerals in this herb for helping protect your bones from leaching calcium, because if you don't have your phosphorus and your magnesium, which this is an herb for phosphorus and magnesium, you're going to start leaching that calcium out. Okay, now, also cleanser. Check it out. So this is kind of a super duper cleansing 3-part juice. And the apples, the sweetness, get some nice energy from the apples. And we got our builders with the greens. We got the herb, which is kind of a medicinal. Herbs are highly medicinal. This is a video for beginners, just as a demonstration on juicing of greens, but when I make my standard juices every day, I always add parsley. Parsley is like one of the mandatory herbs that, actually there's 3 mandatory herbs that I would use constantly on my daily juices and not go crazy with them. You don't have to go crazy with them. And that's ginger, turmeric, and parsley. You can use the cilantro too, but for some reason I can't acquire a taste for that cilantro. Don't ask me why. I mean, it's the collegiate herb, but the exotic and the popular, what you call it, politically correct social herb. But cilantro, I just can't take to that. But parsley, I'm addicted to that stuff. I grow a major supply of parsley in my garden. So in the spring I have it because the fall plants that didn't die off come up strong in the spring. I have it all summer and into the fall, so I very rarely ever buy parsley. Right now we're in midwinter, so I can go out there and get some little pieces of parsley, but only for garnishing, not for juicing. And once you get parsley going, it's an easy crop to maintain. That's if you're a gardener. So I wonder if I can get this last apple in here. I'm going to do it. So this is a quart, a little less than a quart's worth, maybe a quart. Recipe: 4 apples, 1 nice medium large bunch of parsley, and a large cucumber. Also, the parsley has some very unique flavonoids and essential fatty acids, believe it or not. It's got some unique phytonutrients, so it's a must in your healthy lifestyle. Parsley is a must. And let's see if we get a couple more drops out. Go to the last drop. Now, we have this foam. This foam will get in the way and make me spill the juice. So, let me get rid of it. I really don't like getting rid of it because now parsley seems to have clumps up a little bit, coagulates. See this? So you want to mix that in. That's all good, nutritious stuff there. So I'm not too much of a fan of taking the head off of anything that has parsley in it, because parsley tends to join that the head upstairs there. And wow, we got some big chunks of parsley, coagulated parsley. Man, I don't know what you call it. It holds together the molecules. Here we go. How much do we got? See? Now what I'm gonna do is take this cute little spoon I got over there, and you see, look at that. That's parsley. So what I'm going to do is mix this up with my Estonian wooden spoon, pour some more back in here, mix it up good, because that parsley is very valuable, nutritionally valuable, and I want all those parsley molecules in my body. There we go. One more mix with my Estonian wooden spoon, as opposed to my Hungarian wooden spoon. Check out that baby. Alright. Now I'll give this a taste test for you guys. 1, 2, 3. That's how much I love my parsley juice. Okay. See you next time.